It's about to get real in the kitchen. This is Cooking with Pat, episode 1. You ready to do this thing? First things first, if you want to be a real chef, you gotta have the only thing that really matters in cooking. It's the apron. If you look the part, you feel the part. Okay? Shout out to my sister, Cooking with Pat apron. Get this thing on Amazon. Goes really well with stains. Not too sure about if it washes out or not, but the good thing is it really holds off the ingredients, holds off the tomato sauces, a lot of salt and pepper. Those are really easy. You can just shake it off. Second thing, if you're gonna be a real chef, you have to have a chef hat. It's really the only 2 items that needs for anybody to cook in the kitchen. Apron, chef hat. Does food taste good? Doesn't matter. If you look the part, like I said, you feel the part, okay? Episode 1 is about to go down. What are we cooking? Sausage and peppers tortellini. You ready to burn the house down? Yeah. So you're probably asking me, okay, what do we got going on here? We got peppers, we got mild sausage, and we got tortellini with Italian sausage inside of it. Okay, what are you gonna put on it? Nothing, because we already bought sausage that has seasoning in it. All right, step 1, go to the grocery store, Food Lion, Harris Teeter, Bilo, Piggly Wiggly, all the other local shops, they carry all this stuff. Super easy. Next step, step 2. So this next part here is really the only reason why I even bother cooking. I just like I like the sizzle whenever it hits the pan. That's it, that's the only reason why I cook. So we'll cook these peppers here, put them on here, try not to take long, probably 4 minutes at the most. And we're gonna have the pasta boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in now. So we got the sausage put in here. This thing is cooking now. It is cooking good. A couple things. Make sure you don't stir it. You're going to start browning that stuff. You're going to burn the bottom of the sausage, and then you have to deal with a pan that's got burnt stuff on it. And it's going to take you 2 weeks to clean it out. Which actually, just a little tip for you. If you got stuff stuck to the bottom of the pan, put a little white vinegar in there and let it sit for about a day or 2. And you can see that black burnt stuff come off the bottom. So that's gonna keep on rolling hot. And another thing we got is, so these tortellinis actually have sausage inside of them. So the important thing to know is, okay, how long do I cook them? Well, you can't really put a time frame on it, even though I did. I said 5 to 7 minutes. But the important thing is sausage. You need to cook that thing to 165 degrees. 160 and getting a little testy there. I'd rather just go ahead and give it an extra bump. So I'll take a thermometer and I'll stick it in there, see what the temperature is, and whatever it comes out at, hopefully we won't have to recook it. And this is what we got. Drain the grease off the sausage, because sausage meat can get a little fatty. Drain the water off of the pasta. And dumped in some of my tomato sauce. No, I did not make that fresh. I bought it. It was 2 for $4. We're talking cheap here. We're talking budget friendly. Okay. And then drain the water off the pasta. Put in the pasta. Mix it up. I'm gonna heat it up again, and this thing should be ready to throw down in like 2 minutes. That's the taste of success. It's a taste of money staying in my wallet. You know why? Because every time I eat out, it costs me $10, $8 to $10. I measured it for how long? A long time. So you families of 4, I
I can tell you where your money's going. It's going to these sorry, pathetic excuses of a restaurant whenever you can take ownership. Yeah. I downloaded this motivational soundtrack to encourage you. I tell you where your money's going. You're eating it just like I was eating mine until I said, no more. Cooking with Pat. It's not about what it tastes like. It's about what it saves you in the wallet.